Students, see your this in NCERT math means in your mathematics book. In this book, this 11th one chapter tables and shares. In this chapter, today we are going to study here this next point. How many cats? See in your book this page number 123. Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box, and when she tried to count all she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. Means how many cats are there in the box? You see here 8 legs means here 2 cats. Means one cat has here 4 legs. 8 legs means 2 cats. Then 12 legs means how many cats? 12 legs means how many cats? Then here 3 cats, because one cat have here 4 legs, then 2 cats 8 legs, then 3 cats 12 legs. See here how many legs and how many cats is given. Legs 4 means 1 cat, 8 legs 2 cat, 12 3. Then here 4 cats means how many legs? 16. Then 5 cats means 20. 6 cats means 24. 7 cats 28. And 8 cats 32. Then here total is 28 legs. Sorry, 28 legs. And then 28 legs means here how many cats? You count this. Here 7 cats. How many cats here? 7 cats. Because one cat here 4 legs. Then here total 28 legs. Means here total number of cats here 7. Below has kept his chickens in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? And Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. For how many weeks was she came from this school? Then here some questions given and you write this answers. Then next one point, see page number 124, jumping animals. See these jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3rd? A frog jumps 3 steps at a time from this 0. You see here starts from this number 0, and this cat jumps from these 3 numbers here 3. A frog jumps 3 steps at a time starting. Frog jumps starting from these 3 steps at a starting from this number 0. Count the jumps he takes to reach 27. When he will reach this number 27, then how many times he can jumps? Then you see, so he has taken here 27 divided 3. 3 9s are 27. Means he jumped how many times? 9 times. He has taken dash jumps. He has 36. Then he has 36. Then how many times he taken these jumps? 12 times. How many times? 12 times. 12 3s are 36. Then see, if he is at 42, then he has taken how many jumps? Then he is at 42. Means here 3 1 means 4. How many times he jumps? 14 times. How many times he jumps? 14 times. Starting from this 0, a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. Means how many jumps does he reach? 25 5 times. And he reaches dash after taking 8 jumps. After taking these 8 jumps means he reached in this which number? 40 number. Then he needs that jumps to reach 55 11. Then here practice time. Here some divisions are given. Then you complete this. See this orally write, otherwise vertically you do this division. 28 divided 2 means 2 divided by this 28. 2 1s are 2. Then this 8 you take here. Then 2 4s are 8. Means here 28 divided 2 is equal to answer 40. Then next one, see this 56 divided 7. In homework you do this division. 48 divided 4, 96 divided 8, 66 divided 6, and 110 divided 10. Then next one, see seashells. Next one point C in your book. In this chapter 11 tables and shares, sea cells. See, Dauru lives near the sea and he thought he making this necklace for his 3 friends and he looking for sea cells the whole day and he collected the 112 sea cells by evening. This Dauru lives near this sea and he thought to making necklace for collecting this sea cells and he looked for sea cells whole day and he collected these 112 sea cells by evening. Now he had many different colorful and shiny cells. I will make a necklace of these 28 cells. Will these cells be enough to make necklaces for all my friends? Means he collecting here 112 sea cells, but only he made a one necklace and only he using by only 28 cells. Then he took 28 cells for one necklace. Means how many again remain? 112 minus 28 means how many remain again? 84. Now he was left with 84 cells. Again he took 28 more cells for the second necklace. Again he took 28 the sea cells for making this necklace. Means again 28 you subtract. These numbers means 14 minus 8, 6 here, 7, 7 minus 2, 5. Means again how many left here? 56. How many cells are left now? 56. Then he took cells for the third necklace. Again he take this third necklace for this 28 sea cells. Then 60 minus 8, 8 here 2. Means again how many sea cells left here? 28. How many necklaces can Dauru make from 112 cells? Are the cells enough for making necklaces for his friends? Again 28 remain. Means this 28 one necklace, this 28 one necklace, this 28 one necklace and this one 28 one necklaces. Means he made here by using this 112 sea cells, he made here 4 necklaces. Then next one see. Try this Kanu made a necklace of 17 sea cells. How many such necklaces can be made using this 100 sea cells? One cartoon can hold 85 soap bars. Charlie wants to pack 338 soap bars. Then how many cartons does she need for packing all of them? Means here word problems of this subtraction is given. And you in homework you complete this page number 126. One carton can hold here 85 soap bars. Shali wants to pack here 338 soap bars. Means 338 divided by which number here given? 85. Then do this division. 85. 5 6 5 7 you do this multiplication. Suppose you take here 3 5 3 15 5 1 carry 3 8 24 plus 1 25. Suppose you take here 4 4 5 20 0 2 4 8 32 33 30 big number. Therefore you take here 3 means 5 3 15 5 1 carry 3 8 24 plus 1 25 means 85 3 255. Remainder 8 minus 5 3 here 3 means here 13 minus 5 8 0. See here remainder is 83 and quotient here 3. In this type of this division in homework you do this. Okay. Then next one see 1500 divided to 50. Then 500 divided by 25. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay. Bye.